Welcome viewers. In this video, we'll break down exactly why this product is the top choice and what makes it stand out from the rest. If you're looking to purchase it, check out the link in the description right now to grab it at the lowest price available. But the real question is, really, is it worth it at this lowest price? The answer is yes. The FOIFKIN F1 gaming PC case features a sleek, modern design with a 270-degree panoramic double cabin that balances aesthetics and practicality. Pre-installed with 5 ARGB PWM fans, this case ensures high-performance heat dissipation, allowing for a cool and efficient gaming experience. The mid-tower chassis offers extensive compatibility, supporting ATX, MATX, and ITX motherboards, as well as large graphics cards and CPU coolers. With its spacious interior, the case can accommodate up to 9 fans and provides ample room for future upgrades and expansions. Featuring multiple input and output ports, including USB 3.0 and audio connections, it provides convenient accessibility for all your peripherals. FOIFKIN offers excellent customer support, ensuring a risk-free purchase experience for all potential issues or concerns.